This is part 2 of painting Demon Slayer characters' Haori patterns. In the last part, we covered Tanjiro and Amane. For this one, we'll do Nezuko, Zenitsu, and Inosuke. For Nezuko, I quickly realized her color was not just light pink, so I concocted a color by adding a bit of orange in it, which is sort of poetic because, never mind. The color got a bit too orange, so I added pink until I was satisfied, and I got the desired color soon, which looked really good. While that dried, I moved on to Inosuke. Inosuke doesn't really have a Haori, but how could we exclude him? So I just traced the patterns of his pants for this. The bottom layer being dark blue and then a dark and a light shade of brown. Now back to Nezuko. I thought the pattern of Nezuko's Haori would be easy to draw, but then I looked closely and realized the lines need exact precision for this. So here's my attempts on practicing a lot before actually trying it on the painting. This is a traditional Japanese pattern called Asa no Ha. I even watched a YouTube tutorial to draw this, but it was way too complicated. So I followed my own logic and realized it was a flower-like design with 6 petals, which means each line is 360 divided by 6 equals 60 degrees. I had to draw these slanted lines corresponding to each other and then connect them using straight lines. I could see the vision of the pattern now and trace the lines with a black pen. I gotta admit, after completing this, I was not satisfied with the outcome. Maybe I should have spaced it out a bit and it would have looked neater. But still, next comes the simp boy.
Nani?
His pattern might be the easiest one. Just blended a bit of orange and yellow and added white triangles. I know the triangles look like a mess, but I'm making do with this. Removing the tapes from the side sort of did mess up the painting, but I'll correct all of it once the entire painting is done. Now keep an eye on part 3 where I'll cover the Hashiras.